Hey, and welcome back to MarineMax. My name is Leo Johnson. Today you join me aboard a new brokerage listing of ours. This is a like-new 2025 Sea Ray Sundancer 320. This particular boat is the stern drive variant in the white hull exterior with the white interior that you see here. It's optioned with the rear sun pad that has the 90-degree swivel bolster, as well as the submersible swim platform out back. With just 20 hours on its 6.2-liter Mercruisers, this boat is like new, in great condition, with several years of factory warranty remaining. As we climb inside the boat, you'll notice that we've got the full SeaDek flooring throughout to complement your white ivory interior. This boat's got the teak table up right now, which does have dedicated storage down below. Over on the starboard side here, you're gonna have a nice wet bar and entertainment area, complete with a Kenyan grill, isotherm refrigerator in here, as well as a sink. Also got controls for the optioned shade here that comes out from the backside of your hardtop. You'll see we've got lots of entertainment space inside this Sundancer 320. It's one of our favorite boats for the family. It's a great do-all boat for the lake. Great storage everywhere and a very convertible space as well, with the option to flip-flop this passenger seat here and expand your entertainment zone. At the helm here, you're gonna have the cockpit air conditioning optioned on this particular boat. Got a vent up here. Great access to your larger upgraded Simrad NSX series screens. It's got the dynamic running surface with the automatic trim tabs, as well as the windshield wiper for your full glass front windshield. This boat's also equipped with a full isinglass enclosure that does come with the boat. You've got digital throttle and shift for your Mercuries here. Also paired with your Mercury joystick system here with Skyhook. Great option for those autopilot adventures and some low-speed maneuvers at the dock. You've got awesome controls, last but not least here at your helm for your lighting. You've got full RGB accent lighting throughout the boat, as well as controls for your windlass anchor, your bilge pumps, and all your key components over here on the starboard side. As we come towards the front of this boat, we've got a nice slide over windshield here. Again, this boat has the full windshield option with the half glass sides, also paired with the sunroof that you see up above you. Stepping forward, we got 2 steps up to the bow here to reveal a very nice large sun pad. Got a grab rail here option on this boat with the split option in the middle. Got a 3-wide sun lounger up here with flip down armrests. Your forward passengers are also going to have access to 2 cup holders, a dedicated table mount, a stereo head unit, and USB chargers. This boat has also been equipped with the factory bow shade, which is a nice option for those long days out on the water. Last but not least, up here at the bow, you've got a great access point here to control your windlass anchor, which can also be controlled from the helm with just a switch of a button right here. Let's climb down below and check out the cabin. Down below is a great place to get out of the heat in this boat. It is like new, brand new, never slept on. You've got a nice table up here that goes down and turns this into a forward berth, as well as some space back underneath the steps that you'll see in a second here. Over on your port side, you're going to have an additional refrigerator as well as a microwave and some storage down below. Great storage underneath these seats as well. And you've got a nice smart television up here, as well as some stereo speakers for your stereo upstairs and your TV system. Your main access panel for your switches and buttons are over here just in front of this curtain under that latch there. A great access place, and you see just below that you've got a USB charger as well as a stereo head unit. Over here on the starboard side, you've got a very large head compartment on this boat. Got a vacuum flush head, nice freshwater sink with a porthole and some storage in there as well. And last but not least, down here you've got some great space back behind your stairs with 2 twin style beds that can slide together into a full berth. You've also got a television down here as well. It's a great place for kids and families to hang out. That's been a quick video overview of this brokerage listing, this 2025 Sea Ray Boats Sundancer 320 stern drive. This is a phenomenal example offered at a great value. Give me a call, check us out at MarineMax.com, or stop by today for more details on this boat. Thanks for watching.